Front CRM review watch before using. Most teams struggle with email overload and collaboration, but Front CRM promises to centralize communication and improve team productivity. Front is a collaborative inbox platform designed for teams to manage emails, chats, SMS, and social media messages in one place. One standout feature is shared inboxes with assignment and tagging options, making it easy to track who is responsible for each message. Most people get this wrong. They assume CRMs are just for sales tracking. The surprising truth is that Front focuses on operational collaboration, combining communication, workflow automation, and analytics. Teams can set rules to route messages, assign follow-ups, and monitor performance metrics. Another advantage is integration. Front connects with popular apps like Salesforce, Slack, and HubSpot, reducing app switching and centralizing customer communication. It also allows internal commenting on messages without forwarding emails, keeping sensitive conversations private. However, there are considerations. Pricing can be higher than traditional email clients, and smaller teams may find some features unnecessary. Learning curve exists for teams unfamiliar with shared inbox workflows. In conclusion, Front CRM is ideal for teams seeking a collaborative communication platform that improves efficiency, accountability, and visibility. It's best suited for customer support, sales, or operations teams handling high message volume. Subscribe for more honest CRM reviews before you invest in collaboration software.